Hey guys, welcome again. And today I brought for you having a diffuser and also humidifier is a combination product. So this you can use it in the car, small rooms, and anywhere on study table wherever you want. So basically, this the main advantage of this it's a combination of humidifier and also the diffuser. See, let us see how it works. So this is a box which have been uh, yeah, there is another wick which has been additionally given along with this box, right? So now you have to open this. So here another wick, this you can open. Okay, now you need to add the water here. So this is an 300 ml capacity. So you can add some of the water. The main purpose of this is to increase the moisture level in the air, and it can be helpful for your skin. Dip the wick inside the water, or directly you can just put it inside this water. Okay, now I have just the wick to should be soaked for at least 1 minute, and again you have insert back into the same. Now lock this. Yes, after that again close. Want you can add some fragrance in this, okay, as a essential oil, so that it will give a good smell in the car or anywhere. Okay, USB along with this equipment. So you have to plug in the USB. Now after that there is an push button, you have to press for few seconds to make it on. Now it's got on. Again press one more time.